Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about antisocial personality disorder. It is a type of mental disorder in which a person consistently shows no regard for right and wrong and ignores the feelings and rights of others. People with this disorder tend to manipulate and treat others harshly. They also don't show guilt or remorse for their behaviors. They also often break the law and are criminals. They are liars, act violently, and use drugs too. Because of these characteristics, people with this disorder don't fulfill their responsibilities related to family, work, or school. Now, if we talk about the symptoms of antisocial personality disorder, arrogance, a sense of superiority, using charm to manipulate others for personal gain or pleasure, persistent lying or deceit to exploit others, disregard for right or wrong, being cynical and disrespectful of others, repeatedly violating the rights of others through dishonesty, impulsiveness, hostility, agitation, aggression or violence, lack of empathy, lack of remorse after harming others, poor or abusive relationships, failure to consider negative consequences of behavior, irresponsible and fail to fulfill work or financial obligations, aggression toward people and animals, destruction of property, theft, deceitfulness, violation of rules. Causes. If we talk about the causes of antisocial personality disorder, genes, genetic makeup make us vulnerable to this disorder. Change in the functioning of brain that resulted during brain development. Now, if we talk about the risk factors, if a person is diagnosed with conduct disorder in childhood, then the person have the chances to develop antisocial personality disorder in adulthood. If person have family history of antisocial personality disorder or any other mental health disorder, if a child was abused or neglected, violent family environment during childhood, men are at greater risk for having antisocial personality disorder than women. Now, if we discuss about the treatment procedures, this disorder is difficult to treat, but treatment and follow-up over the long term prove beneficial. Psychotherapy called talk therapy is used to treat antisocial personality disorder. It may include anger and violence management, treatment for alcohol or substance abuse, and also for other mental health conditions. The aim of the psychotherapy is to help the person to forget the bad memories of past or childhood. And in this, anger management techniques are also learned to the individual. Medications. If we talk about the medications, there are no medication that are specifically to treat this disorder, but doctors prescribe medications to treat other symptoms like anxiety and depression. This was for today, so don't forget to like, share and to subscribe our channel. Up till next video, take care.